Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. I just got in the Razer Edge the other day. This is an Android gaming handheld from Razer, and this has a new Snapdragon G3X Gen 1 processor on board. It looks like a phone, but it's actually just a little gaming tablet. They do have a 5G version available, but I went with just the Wi-Fi version. And before I unbox it, I wanted to show you the stickers here on the side of the box. Now, this sticker was better aligned earlier, but as you can see, they originally intended for it to have a 2-year warranty, and then they covered it up with a 1-year warranty sticker. So I'm not sure how much faith they have in this product's longevity, but I just thought that was something worth talking about there. We're going to take it out of the box now, and then we're going to have a full review on the main channel at lon.tv. And I paid for this with my own funds. No one is reviewing or approving what you're about to see before it was uploaded, and this is certainly all of my own opinions here as we go, and this is not a sponsored video. However, we will be giving this away on a Whatnot stream coming up soon, so definitely follow me on Whatnot. There's a link in the description, so you can get all set up on there, and you can get $15 to spend at Whatnot, which is a really fun live auction site. Now, this is the tablet component. As you can see, it's got a camera in the front, no camera in the back, and that's it. So we'll boot it up and see what it looks like in a second here. And as we dig further into the box, there's actually another Razer product in here, which is the Razer Kishi Pro. This is the version 2, and you can get this for your regular smartphone as well, but this one is specifically designed for the Blade here, or the Edge, I should say, and feels pretty good. It reminds me a lot of the Backbone controller. Definitely has that feel to it. And of course, you can use this with the controller or without. And what was interesting at CES was that they were really pushing this as a game streaming device, despite the fact that it has a processor that I think should do pretty well just for native Android gaming. So we'll definitely look for a couple of games to push it a little bit to see how it does. But the screen looks very nice. It looks like an OLED display to me. And I will, of course, have a full review with the specs of this coming up in the near future here. It looks like there's also a port here for an SD card. So let me pop that open real quick if my paperclip will fit in there. And we'll see what we can get into that slot. Yeah, it looks like a micro SD card will go in there. And then if you have the 5G version, of course, you would have the 5G card going in as well. So that is it at the moment. It looks like it's got analog triggers here. Of course, the analog sticks. Not a lot of travel to the sticks. I'm not crazy about the D-pad, but I'll have to test it a little bit further to get a better opinion on that. But all in, looks pretty nice and high quality, and we're going to do a lot more with this in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like me to test on this, because I am just getting to it right this minute. I'm uploading this video right after I finish shooting it. So I'll collect some of those comments and try to get a few of those things worked into the full review. And that is going to do it for now. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Brian Parker, Chris Allegretta, Hot Sauce and Video Games, Logic KGR, Tom Albrecht, and Amda Brown. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.